Hi everybody, my name's Justin Murray from the Murray team, proudly at McGrath Bayside Properties, and welcome to 12 Prince of Wales Parade down here in Alexandra Hills. Let's talk about growth in this street. In the last 1 year, the properties in this area have grown 22.5%. In the last 3 years, it's grown 19.5%. In the last 5 years, a whopping 31.6%. In the last 10 years, 46.7%. The growth right here in this street has been outstanding. Come through and check out this great investment property.
This property, ideally located in Alexandra Hills and on a block just over 600 square metres, is going to appeal to a whole variety of buyers. First home buyers, investors, renovators, you name it. You're not going to want to miss this opportunity.
So Wade, how do we get through this property?
Thanks, Muzz. The first opportunity to inspect this property will be Saturday, the 24th of July at 1 p.m. We understand that properties like this are in high demand, so rest assured no one will see it before then.
Thanks, Wade. Well, our family can't wait to see your family down here for an inspection soon. Bye for now.